My name's Sedona.
And my name's Aurora. We are here to show you our ways of how we keep God's earth clean.
This is a rain barrel. Rain barrel is for catching water from your roof.
And then we use it for watering our plants. This is a reusable bag. We use it for when we go shopping instead of using plastic bags.
This is the orange skin that keeps the sandwiches, and it's very reusable.
This is a wax bag. We use this to put our sandwiches in. It is still reusable because it's biodegradable.
This is a cloth napkin. We use cloth napkin instead of paper towels. And it helps us clean our faces really good.
This is our recycling bin. We use it to recycle.
We use